Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new account on the Indeed job search application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Indeed job search application on your smartphone, and once it is opened up, in order to create a new account, tap on Create an Account. You will now be taken into the Sign Up page. Now you have various different options to log into your account. For a shortcut, you can tap on Continue with Google and then select your Google account, or you can also enter your email address and tap on the Continue button. Now tap on Sign Up with a password instead if you want to use a password for your account. Now go ahead and type in your desired password and then verify your identity by tapping on I am human. Then tap on the Create Account button, and now this will sign you up into the Indeed job search application. And now you can immediately start using the application to search for jobs or to post a new job. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Indeed job search application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.